Hello class 9, welcome back. This is the video number 2 of chapter number 1, the fundamental unit of life. So in the continuation of this chapter, in this particular video, we will discuss about the differences between unicellular and multicellular organism. So one side we write down the unicellular organism and this side is a multicellular organism. As you see on the screen, the differences and characteristics of unicellular and multicellular organism. The first character of unicellular organism is an unicellular organism is represented by a single cell. Unicellular organism is represented by a single cell, whereas a multicellular organism consists of a large number of cells. In the body of multicellular organism, there are more than one cell or large number of cells. So this is the first difference of unicellular and multicellular organism. In unicellular organism, the second one point is all activities of the organism are performed by a single cell. All the essential activity, either it is nutrition, digestion, excretion, respiration, growth, movement, all the activity performed by a single cell, okay, in the unicellular organism. Whereas in multicellular organism, a single cell perform one or few activity, okay, one or few activity of the organism. For example, you just see in the multicellular organism, for example, in human beings, the blood having three type of cell, RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC perform different function, WBC perform different function, and platelets having different function. Skin cell having different function, neuron cell having different function, excretory cell having different function. So in the multicellular organism, a single cell can perform only one or a few activities of the organism. Isn't it? So this is the second point. Now in the unicellular organism, third point is reproduction consume a single cell. Means within a single cell, reproduction takes place. And most probably by binary fission. By binary fission method, reproduction takes place. Whereas in multicellular organism, only some cell of the body called germ cell, that is the reproductive cell or germ cell, take part in the reproduction. They take part in the reproduction. For example, the sperm and ova. Sperm from the male and ova from the female. So only the some cell of the body that are the germ cell take part in the reproduction, sperm and ova in multicellular. The next character of unicellular organism, that is point number 4, is lifespan is short, whereas in multicellular lifespan is long. Okay. For example, unicellular organism का example है amoeba, yeast, bacteria, euglena, etc. And multicellular organism में एग्जाम्पल है ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, प्लांट सेल, एक्सेट्रा. So these are the basic differences of unicellular organism and multicellular organism. In human beings, you may wonder, in human beings more than 200 types of cell are found. More than 200 types of cell are found in a human beings, and they perform different function. Okay. Some cell perform movement, muscle cell, some cell perform vision, some cell perform for hearing, some cell perform for sensation, some cell perform for digestion. There are more than 200 type of cell single found in the human beings which perform the different function. That is the best example for point number 2. In multicellular cell, they perform one of few activities or more activities of the organism. So this is about the video number 2 and differences of unicellular and multicellular organism. In the next video, video number 3, we will discuss about the discovery of cell.